Our proximity to Silicon Valley draws undergraduate, graduate, and international students who are well-versed in utilizing technology. And our faculty members have responded to that by using cutting-edge technology and techniques in the classroom.
Well, one of the main reasons I use WebEx is to have contact with my students outside the classroom, literally 7 days a week. And so I'm available to them because of WebEx, and the students take advantage of that.
With VDI, there's a central service where all of the clients connect to with the exact same experience, the same software, the same version. Everything is very consistent, everything is very fast, and the students are able to spend less time changing versions and doing upgrades and more time working on their homework, working on their assignments, and getting their jobs done.
I didn't really have anybody to go to until we had telepresence, until we had nurses and stuff that we were talking to who we could kind of show, hey, this is my idea from what I've done research on and been able to create so far. What are your thoughts?
Bringing in people from the outside that might be nurses or oncologists that work with chemotherapy patients on a daily basis. I've noticed that students, when they know that someone's coming or virtually coming to visit the class, they show up, they're more attentive, they're more alert, they kind of perk up and get more engaged in the class.
The smallest class I teach is 125 students. The largest is 440. So the only way as a single faculty member that I can deal with that many students is to be efficient. And lecture capture allows for that to happen.
It makes me able to focus more because during lecture I'm not copying. I can really pay attention to what the instructor is saying. And if I have any questions, I can raise my hand.
These are just a few examples of how technology is being utilized very effectively at San Jose State University. One of our priorities in the division is focusing considerable resources on 21st century learning spaces to ensure that we have the proper use of technology in the classroom now into the future.